crossing the street while people are driving.
Yeah, no one's coming this way yet.
No, I'm gonna go buy some food.
Hmm?
I wonder where Daddy's gonna park his car.
I don't know. I guess back there.
So I'm gonna find a parking place for him. I'm gonna make sure nobody.
Happening to you. Here, move. Go ahead.
Oh my dad. Isn't that the guy that's always there? Can I go pet the snake?
Let's go there and let me get some.
Mama, I'm going.
You already did.
I mean, let's go there. I mean, this is a car show. That's what we do.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't do that. It's a sign of the devil. You know that? Yeah, it is. I can tell it. Ain't the snakes are a sign of the devil. Am I right or am I wrong?
No, I mean it depends. It is a creature of nature though too though.
Right.
But yeah.
But you can't get in love with snakes. I don't touch it. I don't touch it no more.
Never mind.
Here, come on, Chloe, come over here. Girl, bye. I'm not buying none of this. That's why I said we got something to eat while we were at home. No.
Mama, I know this.
Come over here. Where are you going?
David, can you tell me?
Where?